Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to raise a seat if you have like a BMX that you have, or like any bike that you have to like raise a seat like that. Okay, so first off, you need an Allen key like this. See that little tip at the end? Yeah, you need this part, and you put that in there. Okay, when it's in, bring it forward and backwards. It's a little hard doing this one-handed, but so you unscrew it and you just take it out. Then you gotta take the next one out. This one's a little bit. Take this one. Sorry, I lost grip. Alright. If it's loose like this, you can raise it. So you see my seat's already raised. So and then you put it. You see it's a little bit hard because the seat's never been raised before.
I didn't.
But you start raising it with all your strength with your bikes like that. See that part? That's because the seat's never been raised. But I don't care. But then, so it's basically gonna be the same thing back when you like want to tighten it, but you do it like this. Do it more forward. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the screw. Put this screw. Yeah, sorry, my siblings are outside. They won't listen. And tighten it. Sorry, my hand's not working. It's hard doing this one. There. So that's gonna be it for today. I'll tell you guys in the other video. I'll make another video soon. Alright, see ya. Bye.